Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you one of the routers that can be used as a VPN router. So in this video I'll be showing you how to set up a VPN router. So this is priced at $280, but I have bought this in offer. You could buy this during the Black Friday sale, and as you can see, this is one of the best and most reliable routers for the VPN purposes. It is called as ASUS RTAXE 7800. This is a Wi-Fi 6E router and it is tri-band. So that means I can basically create three different bands of Wi-Fi networks, and this is using 1.7 gigahertz quad core CPU for ultra fast network speed, and it uses AI mesh and safe browsing. And this is also an extendable router. It works on Wi-Fi 6E. So this is the unboxing, and after that we'll proceed with setting up the Wi-Fi network and the VPN network on the router. This router looks straight from a sci-fi movie. Okay, it has 6 different tentacles.
Antennas.
This is the charger. And this is the LAN cable. Okay. So I have connected this router. Here we have the power cord. So the power cord is connected to the power supply, and you have different LAN ports here: LAN 4, 3, 2, and there is LAN 1, and this is 2.5G LAN 1. So whenever I connect a VPN router, I basically use the port. I prefer using the port of 2.5G WAN LAN 1 or WAN port or 2.5G port. So this is connected to our source router from which the internet is actually connected. So here I'm using the Bell ISP, internet service provider. So this is the modem provided by the ISP, and I have connected this to 3. Actually, in 4 I have connected my other previous router, and that is my preferred port because this port 4 is 2.5G. So for the current router I have connected to port 3. So this is the connection of the VPN router. In the next few minutes we will be looking at how to set up this router.